Assalamu alaikum friends. In this lesson we will discuss about the difference between FC and FB block. Why use these blocks in TIA portal software? Let's start. Function block and FC block and FB block is a little different. Go to the online diagnostic and accessible devices. FC block is basically used for that in programs where yani data no like to stores and FV block is where used where data like to be stored. Somewhere yani some safeties have operated or like to executed yani power on and off functions in control must be yani needs to retain or non-retain data that like to be show. Takes little time. Actually, our old program is open and we create in this program, no problem. Program blocks. Menu P. This is our old one. Function block. This in previous lecture we will discuss about that function block. FC block. Now we discuss about FB block. First only we discuss about function and now function block. First we have to be online and diagnostic, I think so. Go. Because our PLC is connected. Simple device. Sense will be closed because the main OB on the CPU was changed or deleted. Oh yes. Sorry, this already we cancel this program. I will make the new project. Difference between the FC and FB. We will create the project difference between FC and FB. Then create. Add new device. Also we can open this. This PLC is running. No. Go at new devices. 7-1200. No, not this one. Our CPU is that C15TC. Okay. That last time we not saved the program. If we saved the program, it will be continuously open, but we not saved any. Programs blocks main AP. First we check on this start by cam 0. 0 out M0.1 0.1 download. Because this old program must be arising from the PLC, and then we have to make the new program. Because of first program, if you saved, that will be no problem. If not saved, this will be problem. See, think about, I will discuss about this one also. Maybe you not get problems in the next when you practices on this system. I will show you now. See, this is our program is now ready. Yeah, it's okay. Zero, it's okay. Now see, if I cancel this direct same like, see this one, that will be closed without saving. Is asking the option, yani, do you want to save changes to this current project or no changes? If we make the no changes, maybe later on this will no change, this old program will be open. When I save this one, yes, this will be now closed, but he will save my this program. Next time if I open this one, this will be, if open new project, you have to be create from start new project, not go to the old program. See, this is we have which project we will save. Yeah, this is our difference between FC and FBs. This program we now make. Now we like to open this one, and no need to make other procedure. This will be directly go in our project, and this can be continue. This must be careful when you make the program. After you, if not saved, after that will be can create the problem. Your all program will be go loss. Now main OB you can open, and this will be go in directly. We go in simulation. See, so we can go to the simulation. It took little time, but this will be continuous. Okay, nothing have any error or something. You can see here is shown all will be green coming. Well, your program will be running. Okay, now let's start with our this will make delete, and see now we are discussing about the FB block, FC block and FB block. Here is first we discuss about the FC block, that one. FC block, what he say already in discussed the previous lecture. These functions are code blocks or subroutines without dedicated memory. He is doing that same like any, he says I execute the all your ladder but I can't save the any memory. What's the difference? Now we discuss. First I make this old one FC block, and also as per old I make it here my switches SW1, SW2, and here also I make one light in output Q0.1 and Q0.2. I make this program, and now I make here ladder yani for this my program. I take I0.0, and here I make it coil Q0.0. Q0.0 that I'll make also by reset. I will make the set, and that one I will make it here, not here. I will take from here Q0.0, and we make it two now. We make two outputs Q0.1, that Q0.0 we have to put Q0.0, and that Q0.1. This is Q0.0, and here I put Q0.1. Q0.1. This right Q0, this also you can I'll put it here name yani lamp 1, because of you after understand yani how to make the names yani lamp 1, lamp 1 and lamp 0. In PLC language have little, this must be understand complete, because this inputs and outputs start from 0, not start from 1 yani in input conditions, input side yani this is start from I0.0, and output from is started from Q0.0. This little have a confusion, but must be this is clear to all my friends. This is lamp 0 and lamp 1, lamp 1, and also I make it here my other block now. This I used FB block. First I used this one, now I use this one. In this description also he says function blocks are code blocks that store their values permanently in intense data blocks so that they remain available after the block has been executed. And he says when you put any data inside this function block, he will be stored yani permanently and make it okay, and I will make it here new block 2. Here I put my I 0.2, yani for example switch SW, switch 2 and switch 3, and output I will make lamp 2 and lamp 3. This I used in this one. First I take it here SW2 and here output I used lamp 2 and here also I made one lamp 3, and this also I made also I make this one in set condition. In set condition, make it in set condition. Now I make this two blocks I different yani block 1 and block 2, and in this I have to be shown this function block here. For example, as learning purpose I will show you the this one lamp 3 and this one is lamp 2. I make it this one non-retain, I will make this one retain. I can also this one make, but for learning purpose I show you how to this one doing how it works, yani after you understand, yani. Now I download my this program to the PLC and see what's the behavior. It's very simple to use this function blocks and how to call these blocks in the main OB. Now see, this is our two blocks are ready, and now we go to the main OB and I will function block first one I will pick and drag and drop it here, and also here in second network I will this my block drag and drop it here. In which ladder I make that here, this SW1 what I made SW, I think so this SW0 I use, this is I make it little wrong, SW2 SW3 SW1, that's okay. This now he is asking for address, yani what's the address you like to give it here. I will give this SW1 I0.0 I0.0 and that SW2 I gives the address I0.1, okay, and that side gives the address Q0.0, and second my lamp 1 I give address Q0.1. Friends, this and that other one I gives the signal XW2 I0.2 and second SW3 I give the address I0.3. and that one Q0 dot 2, and that's I give Q0 dot 3, and this is the my small program, and that's I will download to the PLC. Then click finish, and we'll make it simulation on. See, now that's why this Q I0.2 is on, because of my here is one input is on. I now make it off, and it will be goes to on. See, in this block FC1, what's the different yani? Now see, for example, I make it this I0.0 on my Q0.0. Maybe some this is wrong. 1 second. This is also, we go to the main OB, and oh sorry, here first I have to be close, go to offline, and then you go to the main OB. No sorry, FC1 you have to go. Here I0.0 and Q0.0 I make in set condition, and I0.1 also I will make that set condition. That FC block, and that number 2 lamp 1, lamp 2, this ladder I make the wrong name, sir, that's the problem. The tag 3 I0.0, I0.0 SW1, and that Q0.0 and Q0.1 to 1 tag 5. Again download, make it simulation on. See, this is yani when I gives the signal that Q0.0 now goes to in set, but this when I remove the signal, this is Q0.0 will be off, yani in that same diagram we make it down. This one, this is also we go to the Q0.2, that's Q0.2. Let's see, I give the signal that lamp 2 and lamp 3 is set. But this see, this lamp 2 means Q0 dot 2 and Q0 dot 3. Also we can go in the function block main newbie, we can see it also. That's here, this function block, and this is our TB1. Go to the online and see, this is yani Q0.2 and Q0.33 is now in on condition, but my I0.0 signal is now off. This is go in set condition. And in case of some time, if power supply is gone, see, for example, I make this one. Now think about, yani this is power supply is gone, and later on when power supply is come back after, see what's the behave. See this, which coil I make that retain, this is immediately yani on, true, but another is closed. Almost first two are on, but this is now off. When I make it on Q0.2, after this will be go in set condition, but this is now on. But when power is goes, after when power came back, and see that's closed, and this is now continuously on. And in this also same, this ladder, this is when I gives the signal Q0.I0.0, but this I0 Q0.0 and 0.1 is on, but Q0.0 is on, and one function block inside the ladder goes. See, here is Q0.0 is also on, and Q0.1 is also on. But if signal is goes, this will be stopped. When power goes, when power is goes, after you see, this will be stop. This is showing in ladder, but all this my signal is true. Maybe FC block. See now friends, in this function now, this first we discuss about this one, FC1. This is when I gives the signal to to the I0.0. See, my I0.0 is coming signal. This is on yani. But this have to be goes in set condition. Why not going in set condition? Because of this function, he says I can execute the all system. You're true, but I cannot store any data. This will be continuously goes to off. Also, if you can see in this area, this also I will make it simulation on the SW1 we defined for I0.0. See, I0.0 is on when I give signal, but it's not go to set condition because of this command I used for set condition. But signal came is not sending, not set yani. And in the against of instead of this FB2 block, this is see same hardware we designed yani. This is also one lamp, this is lamp 3, this is lamp 2, and this is we made SW3 means Q0.3 we made for reset condition. And when we gives the signal to the I0.2, our lamp 2 and lamp 3 is goes to in set condition. And when I give the signal to S3, this will be go in reset condition. This is the difference between yani FB block and a function block and FB block. See, we will go to the end main OB also. This see data block. Go to the this we have to go online simulation mode. See, in this area, this is the I0.2. When I gives the signal, this is go to the this Q0.2 and Q0.3 is now true condition. When I gives the signal at I0.3, this will be go reset condition. But what is the difference and what is the behavior of this FB block is what now I'll show you. For example, think about I gives the signal. Now I removed the signal. Here you can see any I0.2 or 3 or something not have signal. Here is Q0.2 and also Q0.3 is going in set condition. And in that condition, for example, if power supply is gone, I will make it here reset yani. After this means think about yani this is power supply is going to the off condition or error condition. This will be go in stop condition. Now power supply is gone. When power supply will be next came back after you see the behave that Q0.2 is now off, but our Q0.3 is continuously on. As per power supply come, that Q0.3 will be continue on. Because of why you see we make it here this function block we designed this area. Then lamp 2 is non-retained, but this tower lamp 3 is retained condition. If I put this also non-retained, this will be also goes to in reset condition. When I give the signal, after this will be go to all reset. If you also this two both needs any continue on. When power supply come back, this lamp 2 and lamp 3 are lamp 2 also not close. You can go in menu B and make it simulation of function block, also make it off, and F2 block also make it simulation of that all. Let's go back and see now this which data you make the this is this you say one you said needs retain yani as per any power supply goes, this data I need to store in this function block. This relay must be continuously on, power on, and after again on. This will be need, and this also, if you need to be retained, you can make it in here retain, and then again download, and this data will be stored inside the PLC. Reinitialize, load. This is the difference between FC and FB block. Now you go to the main OB and you make it the simulation on, and this already you understand about this FC block. And now FB block is, we are working at FB block. This FB block, now see, I give the signal to the I0.2. this both Q0.2 and Q0.3 is on, and in between this time that power supply will go on. After, see, next when power will be on, your both Q0.2 and Q0.3 will be continuously on, will be not stop. This is the function, this the difference between FC and FB block. And in this area where you like to use in the program, many of the areas in the program, we can use any long programs. For example, any safety purpose, any some relays inside the program needs to be continue on when power supply goes to off, must be when power supply come back, and this will be continuously on. This is the safety purpose, and many any have to use. Inshallah will be in next videos. We will use this function blocks in the program. And inshallah, if you not understand or any have question something, go to the comment section, tell me, I will give you the feedback. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.